talk dividends, growth, and how to juice up your portfolio, focusing on one of our top stock picks for 2023, Uber. You see, dividends can have two meanings. It could be a company that hikes its annual dividend payment, or one that's growing revenue and expanding. And sometimes it's both. Remember when Apple decided to pay dividends again? Many thought it was a doomsday call for Apple's growth. But look at it now, a 302% surge in the last 5 years, outperforming even non-dividend payers like Amazon. So let's break it down for Uber. First, don't expect dividends from Uber anytime soon. But if you followed our advice last year and bought some Uber stock, you'd be up about 103%. And if you want to generate more income from this non-dividend payer, consider writing covered calls against your position if you own at least 100 shares. Covered call writing can be an effective strategy to generate premium income while holding on to your stock. But beware of the double risk, potentially missing out on profit if the stock price surges and having to give up your position in a long-term growth stock. Take DoorDash as another example. Last Friday, you could have generated $300 in premium income by selling an August 2023 $90 DoorDash call. It's a neat strategy that could amp up your returns while waiting out rough patches. The bottom line, dividends aren't the only game in town. Covered call writing can offer a nice stream of income, especially during sideways market moves. But remember, knowledge of options and risk tolerance is key, and always keep an eye on potential downsides.